Alright, so we got a warmer day here in February 20th, or 19th, February 19th. This car hasn't been washed in over 2.5 months of winter driving, over 2,500 miles, mainly just kind of showing how the ceramic spray coatings really do work, because every time it gets filthy and then it rains, a lot of it comes off. But you can see, I mean, I normally keep my cars pretty clean, but it's been all winter, so like I say, it's been over 2.5 months and 2,500 miles or so, and so we're gonna clean it up today and just kind of see how that ceramic coating really does keep that dirt and grime from kind of sticking to the paint as bad, because it really doesn't look bad. Commuting this every day, and I don't know what the cell phone camera's picking up, but the front is the dirtiest probably, and the hood's got a lot of streaks and spots, but they probably come right off. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a spring wash. Normally I don't do this underbody cleaner. This is an attachment to the pressure washer that attaches to the wand, and it cleans the underside of the car. So you just kind of roll it under the car. So we're gonna do that, and just since it's been all winter, I'm gonna start out that way. Alright, so after washing the underbody of the car, we sprayed it with our foam cannon and the chemical guys honeydew snow foam, just to kind of let that sit on there, break up a lot of the dirt that's been building up over the winter. So we give it a few minutes and then we'll rinse it off. Then we'll reapply that and use a wash mitt to clean it. Alright, so this is, we haven't touched the paint with any kind of brush or anything. This is just putting the honeydew snow foam on with the foam cannon, and then letting it sit a few minutes and doing a rinse, and it already looks very good. And that's the benefit of that ceramic spray on stuff that I use. This has had that Mother's CMX applied several times, and now I'm gonna try the Griot's Garage 3-in-1 is what I'm switching over to this year, just to give it a try, because it gets great reviews and everything. But I've also been very pleased with the Mother's. You can see the water beating up already, and it's not even been washed with a mitt yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another use a foam cannon one more time and then wash it with a mitt. point, we could just dry the vehicle and maybe put some tire dressing on it, but I'm going to go ahead and do one extra step with this. This is the honeydew snow foam from Chemical Guys, but then I have this Armor All ceramic, and you don't want to let this sit. So I'm going to use a foam cannon to spray it on, and then I'm going to immediately spray it off, and it'll put kind of another layer of that ceramic coating on there. I have that in a different foam cannon. I have it in this foam cannon right here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that extra step since it's been 3 months. And all we have to do is dry it, and then I'll put some stuff on the black part of the tires, and it'll be done.
Okay.
I'm going to use these microfiber towels from, I got these on Amazon, heard about them on Nick Murray's YouTube page. Going to dry them with these. I like the 3M Tire Restore because it leaves a good black finish, but it's kind of not shiny. It doesn't make them real glossy, and I like it that way. So, and it lasts quite a while. All right, let's take a look at it. That ceramic spray, and even the ceramic foam wash that you saw me use from Armor All, it really does an amazing job staining, and this really helps. It's very much worth it. Now that I have several layers of the hand applied spray and wipe off stuff, just putting that Armor All on there with the foam cannon has been keeping it up really nicely. So that's the spring cleaning of the 2017 Honda CR-V. It's 5 years old this coming week and has over 81,000 miles on it, and just had zero problems with it. It's been a great vehicle.